Skills are the seeds. Success grows when you nurture them with thoughtful action. Knowing the skill is powerful, but turning it into income, that's next level. When you stop waiting and start creating, opportunity doesn't knock, it busts through the door. You've worked hard to build your skills, but why do most people never turn them into real success? The answer isn't what you think. Stick around. I'll show you the secret step that changes everything. Hey, I'm Adaptability, and welcome back to Learning Earnings. If this is your first time here, you're in the right place to explore how skills become real opportunities. And if you've been here before, thank you for being part of the growing community. Today, we're diving into how to turn your skills from just potentials into actual meaningful success. Whether that means income, growth, or impact. This will definitely help. Having one skill is a start. But combining skills, that's where magic happens. Just imagine pairing coding with design. I'm just thinking. Now you're not just writing code, you're crafting experience. Or imagine storytelling. Thinking storytelling plus marketing plus relentless effort. That's how creators like Mr. Beast built empires from scratch. Think about you. What skills are quietly waiting for you to unlock new doors when combined? Your breakthrough might be just one combo away. So the first thing is you have to be adaptable. Adaptability is staying relevant in a changing world. We know the kind of world where we are, where AI is taking over everything. Let's be honest, the world's not slowing down, not anytime soon. There is automation, disruption everywhere. They're changing everything. But here's what fires me up. Your human skills. They are your unfair advantage, your creativity, your emotional intelligence, your strategic thinking. AI cannot do all of that for you. Automation can't do that. This can't be outsourced or automated, trust me. The world moves fast, yes, but your ability to think creatively, adapt quickly, and connect deeply, that's a power no machine can match. You need to know that in case you're beginning to doubt yourself. So, knowing the skill is powerful, but turning it into income, that's next level. Here's a few ways to do it. The first one, freelancing. Offer your skills directly to people who need them. It's as simple as that. There are loads of online platforms where you can advertise yourself. Then the number two thing is teaching. Turn your knowledge into courses or workshops or even coaching. It's as simple as that. Then another one is productizing. You know what productizing is? Like building digital tools or templates or resources that solve real problems, because people are out there that actually need this. Because when you stop waiting and start creating, opportunity doesn't knock, it busts through the door. So I want to give you an action step for this week, my guy. I want you to pick one skill you want to elevate. Sketch out how it could turn into something real. Maybe freelancing, offer a mini course, a digital product. I created a monetization planner to help you map it out. So grab it below if you want to explore. That's if you want to make that next step. And remember, small, steady moves add up faster than you think. Skills are the seeds. Success grows when you nurture them with thoughtful action. What skill are you thinking about turning into something bigger? Drop a comment below. I always read all. And if you're ready to go deeper, join me for a live Q&A next week. I'll help you take your skills to the next level. So like, share, subscribe, because here we don't just learn, we grow with intention. I remain Godfrey, and God bless you.